Hello everyone. Hello guys. Good evening. Good evening students. Good evening. How are you? How is everyone doing? Good evening guys. So guys, welcome to Topper Study, your one-stop solution for all your JEE preparation. So guys, today we are going to start a new chapter and that is going to be differential equations everyone. Okay, so guys, differential equations, a very simple chapter, important chapter also for your JEE main examination. You can expect one question from this particular chapter everyone. So let us start with this chapter today. So good evening everyone, how are you? Am I audible for you? Am I audible for everyone here? So shall we begin the session today? So good evening guys, good evening everyone. So chalo yaar start करेंगे आज के session. So as I told you, today we are going to discuss the differential equations chapter. Okay. So today first what I'll do, I'll give you an idea. I'll give you, we'll revise the basics of differential equation. Like what is a differential equation? What is order and degree of a differential equation going to be? Okay, and then we'll talk about the formation of a differential equation, solution of a differential equation, and then today I'm going to discuss one method of differential equation for you to solve a differential equation. We have three methods, three main methods in this chapter. In that I'm going to discuss one method for you guys, and that method is going to be variable separable method everyone. Okay, so these are the topics which we are going to discuss in detail in today's session. So chalo, let us begin the session today everyone. So good evening all the students. So guys, before we begin the session, let me give you a very short intro about myself. So guys, this is Goutham. I'll be your mathematics faculty. Okay, I've done my graduation from NIT Surat. I've been teaching from past 4 years. I have taught 10,000 students online and offline. So that was a very short intro about myself. Okay, so shall we begin the session? Everyone ready? Everyone, let me know in the chat section. Is everyone ready for the session, students? Everyone ready with your pen and book so that we can begin the today's session, everyone. Okay. So चलो यार शुरू करेंगे आज के session which is going to be differential equation, and today we are going to talk about the basics of differential equation and one method of differential equation which is going to be variable separable method. Okay, so chalo right away let us start the discussion today. So everyone, the first important thing for you is that guys, if you recall in the previous class I've given you a homework question. I told you in the next class I'm going to ask you how many of you have done the homework question. So did anyone get the answer in this case? Anyone here? Anyone got the answer for this question? The slope of a tangent to a curve y is equal to f of x at x comma f of x is 2x plus 1. If the curve passes through 1 comma 2, the point 1 comma 2, then the area bounded by the curve, the x-axis and the line x is equal to 1, what is that going to be? Did anyone get the solution? No, not yet. No one got the answer in this case, huh? Guys, anyone here in the chat box, did anyone get the solution for this particular question? No? Okay, we'll do one thing. Hi Harman. Good evening Harman. How are you? I hope you're fine. So you got the answer for this question? Anyone here got the answer for this question? You see option A, B, C and D are given for you. Can you tell me which answer you guys got? Any answer like option A mila hai, या option B or option C or option D? Which answer did you get for this particular question, everyone? Well, good evening, guys. Okay, so let us do one thing. Let me solve the question for you and see which answer I'm going to get. Okay, so see here this question, everyone. So the question given for you is that the slope of a tangent to this particular curve y is equal to f of x is at x comma f of x is 2x plus 1. So we do know the slope of any tangent is going to be given by dy by dx, and that is equal to 2x plus 1, everyone. Now from here, let us find the equation. Let us find the function y is equal to f of x function. So for that, what you can do is, let me write dy is equal to 2x into dx plus dx, everyone. Okay, now when you integrate on both the sides, you see what am I going to get, everyone? So when you integrate on both the sides, I'm going to get integration dy to be equal to y. Integration 2x into dx is going to be x square plus integration dx is going to be x plus c. This is what you're going to get. And also in the question, it's given for you that the curve is going to pass through the point 1 comma 2. So what does that mean? The curve is going to satisfy this particular point 1 comma 2, right? So if you put x equal to 1, y equal to 2, you end up getting 2 is equal to 2 plus c, and from here the value of c you're going to get is simply 0, everyone. Okay, so I can say y is simply going to be x square plus x, or you can write it as x into x plus 1. So this is the curve you're going to get, everyone. So now what we need to do, we need to find the area bounded by this curve, the x-axis and the line x equal to 1. So if you see this, everyone, let us just draw the diagram, the corresponding diagram you're going to get. Okay, let me draw it in another page. So see here, let us say this is going to be your y and x-axis, everyone. So if you want to draw the graph of the curve y is equal to x into x plus 1, guys, it is going to be a parabola which is going to be passing through the origin and the point -1. So this is the type of parabola you are going to get. You can see here, everyone, this is the parabola you are going to get in this case, guys. So we can say this is going to be the graph of this equation y is equal to x into x plus 1. Okay, now everyone try to understand this, guys. Yahan pe it's also given for you that the area bounded by the, so we need to figure out the area bounded by this particular curve, x-axis and the line x equal to 1. So let me first draw the line. Let us say this is going to be, let us say this is going to be your line x is equal to 1, everyone. This is going to be your x equal to 1 line, the x-axis, okay, and this is going to be the curve. So this is the region, this is going to be the area, okay, which we need to figure out in this case, everyone. This is going to be the area which we need to find out. Okay, sir, class 9 की class कब से start होंगी? Piyush, very soon you will definitely start the classes for your ninth also. Okay, ninth standard also. You subscribe to the channel, man. Okay, and stay tuned to the channel. Definitely in very recently, very soon we are going to start the classes. आपको update मिल जाएगा. You'll get the notification about it. Okay, now everyone listen to this very carefully. So we need to find out this area, this yellow region. So how do we find this area, everyone? It's simply going to be, you see, this is going to be the point 0. So integration 0 to 1, between 0 to 1, which one is going to be the curve? This is going to be x square plus x into dx. This is going to be the area that is required. So the area you're going to get is x square integration x cube by 3, x integration x square by 2. And if you put the limits 0 and 1, what is the solution you're going to get? For x equal to 1, you'll get 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. For x equal to 0, you end up getting 0. So the area which you're going to get in this case is going to be 6 in the denominator, 5 in the numerator. So 5 by 6 is going to be the solution, everyone. Okay, so I hope this question is clear for all the students out there. So if you see the options, everyone, well, option C is going to be the right answer. So anyone is having any more doubt in this particular question? Got it? Everyone, I hope this question is clear for you. So option C should be the right answer. So anyone here got the option C as a right answer? Yeah, definitely, guys. You have got the right answer. So option C is the right answer in this case. So any more doubts in this question, everyone? So very simple question. First, you need to figure out what is going to be the equation of the function. After getting the equation, you just have to find the area bounded by the curve and the x-axis and x equal to 1. Just apply the concept of areas and you're going to get the solution. So I hope this homework question is clear for all the students out there. Now, let us start discussing the topic of differential equation. Okay. Now, everyone, you need to understand differential equation का मतलब क्या होगा? Okay, let us say a equation which is going to involve a dependent variable, an independent variable. If any equation is involving an independent variable, a dependent variable, a derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable, then that particular equation is simply nothing but a differential equation. So you see here, dy by dx plus y is equal to cos x. We can say this is going to be a differential equation. So in the case of a differential equation, we can say if an equation is going to contain a derivative, it might be any order derivative, first order, second order, third order, it can be any order derivative. So guys, if an equation is going to contain a derivative of a dependent variable with respect to an independent variable, then that equation is basically termed as differential equation, everyone. Okay, now any differential equation के लिए we can find out two things: order and degree if it is going to be defined. Okay, so let me tell you what is order of a differential equation going to be, degree of a differential equation going to be, guys. देखो यार, ये order degree CBSE एग्जामिनेशन, बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Anyway, differential equations is not there in your term 1 syllabus, but in term 2 you do have this chapter. This chapter is included, so you can expect one question, 1 mark question from this topic of order and degree of differential equation. So it's very important for you to understand the concept of order and degree of a differential equation. So everyone, look at this. I'll tell you in a very detailed way what is going to be the order and degree of a differential equation going to be. So the first one for you, order of a differential equation. In the differential equation, okay, whatever the order of derivative, the highest order derivative which is going to be involved in the differential equation, that is going to be the order of differential equation, everyone. For example, let us say, I'll give you a simple example to understand. You have a differential equation like this: d square y by dx square plus dy by dx into x plus 1 is equal to 0. In this case, if I'm asking you what is the order of this differential equation going to be, guys, all you have to do is see the order of the highest derivative. You see, the order of the highest derivative involved in this equation is going to be 2, right? So I can tell you that for this differential equation, the order is simply going to be given by 2. So in a differential equation, whenever you have a differential equation, if you want to figure out what is going to be the order of that differential equation, it is simply nothing but the highest derivative. The order of the highest derivative involved in that equation is simply nothing but what? Order of the differential equation, everyone. Okay, so order is going to be defined for every differential equation. So you see, any differential equation, you can easily find out what order will be that differential equation be in. Okay, so I hope this concept of order is clear. Now let me start discussing about the degree of differential equation, everyone. Your degree of differential equation may basically what is going to happen is that, everyone listen to this very carefully. First thing, degree of differential equation is not going to be defined for every differential equation. Okay, degree is not going to be defined for every differential equation. Any differential equation which is going to satisfy these two conditions, only for those differential equations the degree is going to be defined. So what are those two conditions going to be? Well, the derivative, any derivative, okay, should be free of the fractional powers, both positive and negative. The second point, the derivative should not be a part of the transcendental, exponential, trigonometric, logarithmic. It should not be a part of any transcendental function, everyone. So if these two conditions are getting satisfied, then we can say that the degree is going to be defined for that differential equation. And how do we figure out the degree of that differential equation, everyone? Very, very simple. All you have to do is just see the highest power of highest order derivative. Well, that is going to give you what? It is going to give you the degree of differential equation. For example, let us say you take the same example here. Let me take the same differential equation. First, when you see this differential equation now, guys, d square y by dx square plus dy by dx into x plus 1 is equal to 0. What you need to understand, are these two conditions getting satisfied, everyone? Are these two conditions getting satisfied, everyone? Well, first thing, the power of the derivative is not fractional power. You see, the power of d square y by dx square is 1, power of dy by dx is 1, so they are not fractional powers. Okay, and the derivative is not a part of any transcendental function. The derivative is not involved in any transcendental function, any trigonometric, any exponential function. So these two conditions are getting satisfied. So what does that mean, everyone? Well, for this, we can say the degree is going to be defined. And to find the degree, what you need to do? Just see the power of the highest order derivative. You see, d square y by dx square, the power is 1. So I can say the degree of this differential equation is simply going to be 1. Okay, I'll give you another example also. You see this example, everyone. D square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole square, okay, plus let us say 2 cos x plus 2 cos x is equal to 3. Okay, so we need to figure out what is going to be, what is the degree and order going to be for this differential equation. Order is very simple. Order, everyone can find it out. Order is going to be the highest order derivative. It's going to be 2. So order is going to be 2. Now, if I'm asking you what is degree of this differential equation going to be, now can you guys tell me what would be the degree of this particular differential equation going to be? So first, आप लोग क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे? You need to check whether the degree is going to be defined or not for this differential equation. How do you check that, everyone? Very, very simple. You see the power of d square y by dx square, the power of dy by dx. Okay, the powers are not fractional powers. They are not fractional powers. They are not a part of any transcendental function, exponential, logarithmic, trigonometric, inverse trigonometric. They are not a part of any transcendental function. So we can say that for this particular differential equation, the degree is defined. And यहाँ पे आप लोग गलती क्या करेंगे मालूम? For degree, you see the answer is 2. But that is not correct. What I told you, degree of a differential equation, whenever it is defined, is simply nothing but the power, the highest power of highest order derivative in the equation. You see, d square y by dx square is the highest order derivative. What is the power of that? It is 1. So degree is simply going to be 1. So this is how you need to figure out the degree and order of a differential equation, everyone. So I hope this point is clear for all the students. Anyone is having any more doubt? Guys, 1 mark के लिए पूछेगा. Okay, you will remember me in the examination, in your term 2 examination, CBSE board examination में, and not only CBSE, you take any state board exam also, state board examination में, for 1 mark, this question is going to be asked. Okay, a differential equation will be given for you. He'll ask you what is order and degree of the differential equation. So this is how you need to find it out. Okay, now let me do one thing. Let me do a few questions based on the same concept. Okay, for example, you see this question, everyone. Find the order and degree of this differential equation. So what you can do here, order is very simple. I mean, I can say out of 100 students, 99 students can give the answer for order as correct. Okay, I don't think any student is going to make any wrong in finding the order of the differential equation. So order, highest order derivative, it's going to be 2. So order is going to be 2. Now the problem comes with degree. Now I told you to find the degree of a differential equation, you have to see whether it's going to be defined or not. Guys, is it going to be defined? You might say, sir, not defined. Because power is a fractional power. But everyone try to understand, whenever any power of the derivative is a fractional power, try to modify that differential equation and try to eliminate that fractional power. If you're able to do that, okay, after a certain modification, if you're able to do that, then in that case, degree is going to be defined. After the modification also, you're not able to do that, still the fractional power is going to remain. Then in that case, we cannot say anything. I mean, we cannot do anything in that case. So we can say the degree is not going to be defined. So यहाँ पे, what I'm telling you is that, you see, if I do cubing on both the sides, I'm going to get this one, no guys, d square y by dx square whole cube on the left hand side. On the right hand side, I'm going to get 1 plus dy by dx whole raised to 4 and whole raised to 5. This is what you are going to get, everyone, right? Now you need to understand this very simple point that, guys, the power of the derivatives is always going to be, is not going to be a fractional power. No, you see, for d square y by dx square, the power is 3. When you expand 1 plus dy by dx whole raised to 4 with the power 5, whatever power you're going to get for dy by dx, that is not going to be a fractional power. So for this differential equation, what can we conclude? Well, we can conclude that degree is going to be defined. Yes, we can definitely conclude that the degree is going to be defined. If the degree is going to be defined, guys, you tell me what is going to be that degree? Well, degree is simply nothing but the power, the highest power of highest order derivative. So d square y by dx square is the highest order derivative. The power of that is going to be 3. So the degree for this differential equation is going to be 3. And that is how you have to do this question. So see how simple the question is. So I hope this question is clear for you. So whenever you see the fractional powers of the differential, any derivative, don't directly conclude that wahan pe degree is not going to be defined. Do the modification, try to do the modification, try to remove the fractional powers. If you are successful in it, well, in that case, the degree is going to be defined, no, everyone. Okay, so I hope this is clear for you. तो चलो यार हम चलेंगे next वाले question पे. Now you see this question. Find the order and degree if defined for this differential equation. Order is very simple. Order is going to be 2. What about the degree in this case, everyone? Is the degree going to be defined in this particular case? I don't think so, because you see, dy by dx is a part of trigonometric function, and I told you that derivative should not be a part of any transcendental function. So you see, dy by dx is basically a part of trigonometric. So in this case, no, I can tell, I can basically write down the degree is not going to be defined in this particular case. So I hope this question is also clear for all the students out there. So this is going to be the basics of differential equation, everyone. Okay, finding out the order and degree is going to be the basic stuff of differential equation. Now what we will do is that let us start understanding the solution of differential equation. मतलब कोई भी equation का solution तो रहेगा, right? When we have an equation, we have a solution for that. Without any equation, without any problem, मतलब problem exist करेगा, then solution is also going to exist for that particular problem. So similarly, we have a differential equation, everyone. So for a differential equation, we do have a solution. And what is that solution going to be? Well, the solution is going to be a function which is going to satisfy the differential equation. You can clearly see a functional relation which is going to be between the independent variable and the dependent variable, which is going to satisfy the given differential equation, everyone. Now, in this particular solution, we have two types. One, we have a general solution. Another one, we have a particular solution. Confused? Well, I'll tell you what is the difference between general solution and the particular solution, everyone. Everyone listen to this very carefully. Guys, अब देखो यार यहाँ पे, let us say I have this type of differential equation, dy by dx equal to, let us say, x. Okay. Now, if I want to find out the solution of this differential equation, I need to solve this, right? So if I want to solve this one, I can do it in this way. dy is equal to x into dx. This is done by variable separable method. I'll tell you, don't worry. Okay, I'm not going to skip it. Variable separable method in the later part of this session only, I'll explain in a detailed way. But right now, just to understand what is the solution, what is this general and particular, I've given you this example. So let us say dy is going to be, x into dx. If you integrate on both the sides, you end up getting y to be equal to x square by 2 plus c. Now whatever solution we got now in this case, everyone, we got a function, a solution of this particular differential equation. Guys, this is going to be indicating the general solution, everyone. What is this indicating, everyone? This is going to indicate the general solution. Why do we call this as a general solution, everyone? Because you see, the c here is an arbitrary constant. So यहाँ पे infinite solutions are going to be possible, right? In place of c, you can take any real number, 1 2 3 4 -1 -2 -100. यार आप कोई भी नंबर ले सकते हैं c में, c के प्लेस में. All those are going to be solutions only for this differential equation, everyone. So that is why we can say whenever the arbitrary constant is involved in the solution of a differential equation, then that solution is going to be what? It is going to be a general solution, everyone. Okay, so that is the first important point for you. Coming to the second point, so general solution pata chal gaya. Then what is a particular solution going to be? If you fix a certain value of c in this equation, let us say I'm going with c is equal to 2. Okay, if you're going to fix a certain value for c, you end up getting y is equal to x square by 2 plus 1. And guys, look at here. This equation right here, this is simply nothing but a particular solution. What do we call this equation, everyone? This equation right here, this is known as a particular solution, everyone. Okay, so you have to understand the difference between general and particular. So basically, general solution may what is going to happen? You have the arbitrary constant. In the case of particular solution, if you fix a certain value to c, c equal to 1, c is equal to 2, it can be any value depending upon the condition, the initial condition, you'll get to know what is c value going to be. So agar aap c ke liye, if you fix a certain value, then that is going to give you a particular solution, everyone. So I hope these two things are clear for you. So what is the solution of a differential equation? It's going to be a function, okay, which is going to satisfy the differential equation, okay. And here we get two types of solution: general solution in which the arbitrary constant is involved, a particular solution in which the arbitrary constant is given a value, a fixed value. Okay, so I hope this is clear for you. Okay, now let me start discussing the concept of formation of differential equation, everyone. This is very very important. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या होगा कि let us say the solution of a differential equation is given. By using the solution, you need to form the differential equation. मतलब पूरा उल्टा हो गया. Like, I'm going to give you the answer. Okay, you need to tell me what is the question going to be. Understood, everyone? I'm giving you the answer. आप लोग बताना है कि question क्या होगा. So I'll give you the function for you. Okay, and I'll tell you that this function is a solution of a certain differential equation. Tell me what is that differential equation going to be. So this is the concept of formation of differential equations, everyone. So how do we do this? How to apply this formation of differential equation, everyone? Very, very simple. All you have to do is, let me write it down for you. Formation of differential equation में अब क्या करेंगे? Guys, you have to just follow 3 steps. Okay, the first step, write down that equation. The second step, you count how many arbitrary constants are there in that particular equation. What you will do, you count how many arbitrary constants are there in that particular equation, and then you differentiate that equation that many times. So let us say you are having 2 arbitrary constants in that particular equation. So आप क्या करेंगे वहां पे? You are going to differentiate that equation 2 times, everyone. Okay, after differentiating the equation 2 times, what you'll be doing is that which be arbitrary constants are there, no, which are still left out, you need to eliminate those arbitrary constants and write the equation, and whatever the equation you're going to get, that is going to be the differential equation. So these are the 3 steps which you need to apply. Everyone understood? So what is the first step? Count the number of arbitrary constants. The second step, how many number of arbitrary constants you're going to get, that many times you have to differentiate that particular equation. Okay, and after differentiating, you need to eliminate the arbitrary constants. After eliminating the arbitrary constants, whatever the resulting differential equation you're going to get, that is going to be the differential equation, which is going to be representing the question, which is going to represent the differential equation of the solution that is given for you. Okay, so for example, let us say this question is given for you. Let me apply the same concept in doing this type of questions, everyone. So see here, obtain the differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constant or constants from this equation, y square equal to 4ax, everyone. So what we need to do in this case, we need to find out a differential equation for which this is going to be the solution. So let me write down the equation y square is equal to 4ax. How many number of arbitrary constants are there in this equation, everyone? Can you tell me the number of arbitrary constants in this particular equation? I can say it is only going to be one. Only a is there, no? So number of arbitrary constants is only going to be one. So how many times are you going to differentiate this equation? Only one time. So if you differentiate, you get 2y dy by dx is going to be equal to 4 times of a, everyone. Okay. Now, as I told you, after differentiating, you need to eliminate the arbitrary constant, right? So how do you eliminate this a, everyone? By this equation. From this equation, what is 4a going to be? Y square divided by x. Let me put that in this equation. So what am I going to get here? 2y dy by dx is equal to, in place of 4a, you're going to get y square divided by x, everyone. So y and y is getting cancelled. So you are going to get dy by dx is equal to y by 2x. And guys, let me tell you, this is going to be the differential equation that is required. So see how we got the answer in this case. So very simple, right? So first see the equation. You count the number of arbitrary constants. You differentiate that equation that many times. Okay. And after that, what you're going to do, you eliminate that arbitrary constant. After eliminating the arbitrary constant, whatever the resulting differential equation you're going to get, that is going to be the solution. Okay. So I hope this question is clear for all the students. The concept of formation of differential equation is clear for you. Now let us start understanding the different types of first order differential equation, the different methods of solving a first order, first degree differential equation. Okay, so guys, try to understand, like basically in your class 12th, okay, we'll be dealing with first order, first degree differential equations only. Okay, and to find out the solution of this first order, first degree differential equation, we have three methods for that. The first method, variable separable. The second method, the homogeneous method. The third one is going to be the linear differential equation method. Okay, I'll explain you in a detailed way what is variable separable method going to be, what is homogeneous equation method going to be, and what is linear differential equation method going to be. We'll revise it in a very detailed way. So today, let me discuss only about the variable separable method. Okay, it's going to be a very simple method, guys. I'll explain you what is variable separable method, how to apply it. We'll do the questions also, so no need to worry. So today I'll discuss about the variable separable method, and in the next session, okay, we are going to discuss about the homogeneous differential equation method and linear differential equation method. Okay, so let us begin with the variable separable method. So to understand the variable separable method, you can see this particular slide, everyone. Let us say you have a differential equation which can be written in this particular form. Then in that differential equation, you can definitely apply the variable separable method. So in a very simple language, what I'm trying to tell you is that, let us say you have a differential equation of this type, dy by dx is equal to f of x divided by g of x. Okay, let us say you have a differential equation of f of x divided by g of y. Okay, hello Ayan, good evening guys, good evening. हेलो सर, क्लास 8, अच्छा क्लास 8 का क्लासेस चाहिए आपको? Guys, as I told you यार, अभी हमने शुरू किया है, okay, ये टॉपर स्टडी के चैनल पे all these courses, all these classes. So pretty soon we will be launching for the other classes also. So right now class 11th and class 12th का हमने launch कर लिया है, okay. Now for class 10th, class 9th and class 8th also, pretty soon we are going to launch. We are having that plan, okay. So guys, stay tuned to the channel. आपको update मिल जाएगा whenever we launch it. Definitely you're going to get the update. Okay, now you see the question now. So whenever you have a question, whenever you have a differential equation of this particular type, okay, now यहाँ पे आप क्या कर सकते हैं basically is that you see I can write all the y terms along with the dy. You see all the y terms along with dy and all the x terms along with dx. So in a differential equation, if you're able to write all the y terms along with dy, all the x terms along with dx, then guys, in that case, you can apply the variable separable method. Okay, and what is this basically telling you, variable separable method? Well, all you have to do here is when you write all the y terms along with dy, all the x terms along with dx, यार इंटीग्रेट करो दोनों साइड, सेपरेटली इंटीग्रेट करो, and whatever solution you are going to get, that will be the solution of the differential equation. So understood this everyone? Hello Babita, good evening guys. So is this clear for everyone guys? So I'll give you a very simple example, so that example say this concept will be 100% clear for you. Let us say you have this question, dy by dx equal to, okay, y divided by x. Okay, now you need to find out what is going to be the solution of this differential equation. Now in this differential equation, everyone try to understand, you can apply the concept of variable separable method. In fact, you tell me, can we write all the y terms along with dy and all the x terms along with dx in this case, everyone? Hello students, good evening guys, good evening. Hello sir, I'm from Nepal and class 11th. Okay, that's great. That's great, Babita. Guys, see here, everyone, this classes, this basically whatever we are classes we are taking on, okay, we are taking on the Topper Study channel right now. These classes are going to be for the JEE 2022 revision. In 2022 February, you are having your JEE examination, right? So for that, these classes are going to be a revision classes for you guys. Okay, so class 12 students, dropper batch, can definitely attend these classes. Okay, and also class 11th students can also attend at least in few topics. Let us say coordinate geometry hai, in which conic sections, straight lines are there, or let us say binomial theorem, complex numbers, limits, all these topics are going to be class 11 topics. So you can also attend this particular lectures guys, that would help you to revise your class 11 topics. Okay, so chalo, let us get back to the session once again. You see here, dy by dx is equal to y by x. So to solve this differential equation, we can do it in this way. You can write dy by y is equal to dx by x. I mean, I'm writing the y term along with dy and x term along with dx. After writing, आप यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? Let me integrate on both the sides, everyone. And when you integrate, what solution you're going to get? Integration dy by y is going to be log y base c. Integration dx by x is going to be log x base c plus c. And this is going to be the solution, everyone. So see, in this type of questions, in this type of differential equations, where you're able to write all the y terms along with dy and all the x terms along with dx, everyone in that particular case, you can definitely apply the variable separable method. You write all the y terms along with dy, all the x terms along with dx, and after that you can find the solution. So I hope this is going to be clear for you. Okay, this method is clear for you. Now let me take a question for you through which we can, we can apply this concept and we can get the answer. So you see this question, everyone, what was given for you? E raised to y into dy by dx plus x square is equal to x square into e raised to y. So in this case, we need to figure out what is the solution of this differential equation going to be. Hello Avinash, good evening Avinash. So listen to this carefully. How do we do this question? So first you see whether I'm able to write all the y terms along with dy and all the x terms along with dx in this case. Can we do that? अब देखो यहाँ पे, well, let me try it out. E raised to y into dy by dx equal to, guys, I can take x square into e raised to y minus x square. Okay, now from here I'm going to get this e raised to y into dy by dx equal to, I can take x square as a common, and that is going to give me e raised to y minus 1. Now can you write all the y terms along with dy, all the x terms along with dx? Yes, we can do that. You see here, everyone, I can write this as e raised to y by e raised to y minus 1 into dy is equal to, this is going to be x square into dx. Okay, and when you integrate on both the sides, you see, what am I going to get, everyone? Well, on the right hand side, integration x square dx is going to be what? X cubed by 3 plus c. I can write it in this way. On the left hand side, if you want to integrate e raised to y by e raised to y minus 1, no, यहाँ पे you can apply the concept of substitution. You can take e raised to y minus 1 is equal to t. If you differentiate on both the sides, e raised to y into dy, it is going to become dt. If you apply this modification to the above integral, what are you going to get, everyone? You will get a dt divided by t, and that is equal to x cubed by 3 plus c. Dt by t, that is going to be x cubed by 3 plus c. Now what is going to be the integration of dt by t? Well, that is going to be log t base c is equal to x cubed by 3 plus c, everyone. And in place of t, if you take e raised to y minus 1, so log of e raised to y minus 1 to the base e is equal to x cubed by 3 plus c. This is the solution you are going to get. So I hope this question is clear for all the students out there. So see, in this question we have applied the concept of variable separable method. Okay, and यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया? First, we have written all the x terms together and all the y terms together. I mean, you see, I've taken all the y terms along with dy, all the x terms along with dx, and then integrating on both the sides, I got the solution. And everyone try to understand, ये वाले question में, in fact, in this entire chapter, in differential equation chapter, when you apply the method, no guys, I told you तीन method है यहाँ पे, variable separable method, homogeneous equation method, and the linear differential equation method. See, once you apply the method, definitely आपको वहां पे क्या होगा कि whatever the final solution you're going to get, you need to apply the indefinite integration concept to get the final solution. So अगर आपको, let us say, indefinite integration chapter you have not studied, and you have studied only differential equation, or let us say you want to study differential equation and you have not gone through indefinite integration, guys, let me tell you, it's not going to be possible, only because I'm telling you, no, आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन में you have to definitely apply the concept of indefinite integration to get the solution, everyone. That's what I'm telling you. So if anyone has missed out my lectures on indefinite integration, guys, in the description you can find the playlist, okay, which is about JEE Achievers का आपको playlist मिल जाएगा. Okay, in that playlist you can find all the lectures related to indefinite integration. Do watch those lectures. I have explained, I have revised all the topics in a very detailed way. If you are not having any clarity, or let us say if you don't remember any concepts of indefinite integration, guys, do watch those videos. They are going to be very helpful for you. Okay, so I hope this is clear for you now, guys. ये वाला topic, ये वाला question clear है सभी के लिए यहाँ पे. So in this case, this is how you need to apply the variable separable method, all the x terms along with dx, all the y terms along with dy, then integrating, and then you're going to get the solution. Okay, now let me go to another important method which is going to be related to variable separable only. So sometimes you might be getting the questions of this type: dy by dx equal to f of ax plus by plus c. For example, let us say, man, you got a question dy by dx equal to x plus y. Okay. Now you tell me, can we apply the concept of variable separable in this case? can you apply? Let me write the question once again for you. अब लोग देखो यहाँ पे, you take an example, dy by dx equal to x plus y. Can you apply the concept of variable separable in this differential equation, everyone? I don't think so, because you see, if you multiply dx also, you end up getting dy is equal to x into dx plus y into dx. So you can't write x terms separately with the dx, y terms separately with dy. That's not going to be possible. So to solve this type of differential equations, no guys, what you can do, there is one very simple method. What you can do here is, you take such type of equations, such type of terms, such type of expressions is equal to t, everyone. You take x plus y is equal to t. Differentiate करो दोनों side with respect to x. I'll get 1 plus dy by dx is going to be equivalent to dt by dx. So in place of dy by dx, let me replace it by dt by dx minus 1. So guys, I'm going to get dt. I'm basically going to get what here? I'm going to get dt by dx minus 1 is equal to, in place of x plus y, I'm going to get t. Okay, so from here, I'm going to get dt by dx is equal to t plus 1. Now you tell me, for this differential equation, can we apply the variable separable method? Yes, we can definitely apply the variable separable method, guys. You see, यहाँ पे dt, you can write along with dt, you can take t plus 1 and यहाँ पे dx. So you see, you have written all the t terms along with dt, all the x terms separately. So in this case, you can apply the variable separable method. So after writing them separately, then integrating them, and then from here, you're going to get the solution. So guys, this is how you need to apply the method for this type of questions, everyone. So whenever you find any differential equation of this particular type, no, वहां पे what are you going to do, everyone? Very simple. You take ax plus by plus c is equal to t, and from that you are going to get the answer. मतलब whatever the modification you're going to do, that is going to convert the differential equation into a form in which you can apply the variable separable method, and you're going to get the answer. Okay, so I hope this is clear for all the students out there. Now let me do a question based on the same concept. You see this question, everyone? dy by dx equal to cos of x plus y minus of sine of x plus y. Now in this question, I told you, whenever you find this type of questions, no, what is the method I told you? Guys, take x plus y is equal to t. Right. So good evening, Adesh. Hello, how are you? I hope you're fine. So सुनो यहाँ पे. So whenever you find this type of terms, no, what I told you, take x plus y is equal to t. So differentiate करो दोनों side. 1 plus dy by dx is going to be equivalent to dt by dx, everyone. Okay. Now let me apply this modification to the above differential equation. So what am I going to get from here? So dy by dx is going to be dt by dx minus 1 equal to, this is going to be cos t minus of sin t, or I can write down dt by dx is simply going to be equivalent to 1 plus cos t minus sin t. This is what you're going to get. Okay, now from here, what you can do is basically you can write down all the t terms along with dt, all the x terms separately. Yes, we can do that, right? So I'm going to get dt divided by 1 plus cos t minus of sin t, right, everyone? 1 plus cos t minus sin t, and that is equal to, you can take dx separately. So see, we are able to apply the variable separable method. I have written all the t terms along with dt, all the x terms along with dx. यहाँ पे कोई x term नहीं है, so I have taken dx into 1. Okay, now we can integrate on both the sides. When we integrate on both the sides, what is the solution I'm going to get, everyone? You tell me how to solve this left hand side integral. Right hand side integral is fine. That's a very simple integral. The solution is going to be x plus c. But can you guys tell me how do we solve the left hand side integral? If you recall, in indefinite integration topic, I have discussed the method, guys, in indefinite integration. In the revision of indefinite integration chapter, I did tell you whenever you find this type of integrals, no, how to do the question. Any idea? No idea? Okay, guys, I told you already, whenever you find this type of integrals, no, all you have to do is write cos t and sin t in terms of time. That is, you can do it in this way. Integration dt by 1 plus cos t in terms of tan is 1 minus tan square t by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square t by 2. Right, everyone? Plus, again, sorry, it's going to be minus sin t. So, minus sin t ka matlab sin t in terms of tan 2 tan t divided by 1 plus tan square t by 2, everyone, and that is equal to x plus c. Now from here, let me do the simplification. The left hand side integral can be solved in this way. Integration, if you take the LCM in the numerator, you end up getting dt into 1 plus tan square t by 2, 1 plus tan square theta, secant square theta. So you can say this is going to be secant square t by 2 whole divided by, in the denominator, you are going to get 1 plus tan square t by 2 plus 1 minus tan square t by 2 minus 2 tan t by 2. So guys, I'm going to get 2 minus 2 tan t. This is what you are going to get, 2 tan t by 2 by 1 plus tan square t by 2. So this is what you are going to get, and that is equal to x plus c. Now can you tell me how do we solve the left hand side now, the left hand side integral? Very simple. Well, all you have to do is take the denominator is equal to some variable. You can take the denominator, right? You can take 2 minus 2 tan t by 2 is equal to some variable, let us say s. If you differentiate on both the sides, you end up getting minus of 2. Tan t by 2 differentiation is going to be how much? It is going to be secant square t by 2 into 1 by 2, and that is going to be ds. And if you apply this modification to the above integral, you are going to get a standard integral for which you can apply the formula and you are going to get the answer. So guys, the rest of the simplification part you can do it later on. Okay, but I hope the question is clear for you, everyone. Okay, hello Devdul Malakar, good evening. So is this question clear for you guys? Anyone is having any more doubt? So in this question, the basic concept is going to be, whenever you find a differential equation of this type, take x plus y is equal to t, and after doing the modification, we got the integral, after doing the modification, we did get a differential equation in which, what can we do? We can apply the variable separable method. So by applying the variable separable method, guys, this is the integral we got. To solve this integral, I told you already, to solve this type of integral on the left hand side, you need to write down cos t and sin t in terms of tan, and from that you're going to get the solution. So I hope this is clear for everyone out there. So now everyone, let me go to another question. Okay, now guys, the question is given for you. Options are given for you, A, B, C, D. Guys, can you tell me which is going to be the right answer in this case? The solution of differential equation x minus y whole square into dy by dx is equal to a square. The options are given for you. Option A, B, C, and D. So can anyone tell me here which is going to be the right answer for this particular question? Yes, anyone? Devdul, Adesh, Avinash, any other student, Ayan, anyone here who, anyone can tell me which is going to be the right answer? So which method are you going to apply in this case? This differential equation, which method are you going to apply in this particular case? Well, the method which we have discussed just right now, just before this question, we have discussed a method. Don't you think we have to apply the same method for this question? Right. So apply karo. Everyone do it along with me. I want you guys to do it along with me. So let me first write down the differential equation. So the differential equation which you have is x minus y whole square into dy by dx is equal to a square, right? This is the differential equation which is basically given for you. Okay, now we need to find out the solution in this case. So यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? I told you, whenever you find this type of differential equation, you take x minus y is equal to t. So differentiating, I'll get 1 minus dy by dx is equal to dt by dx, everyone, or I can write down 1 minus dt by dx. What is that going to be equivalent to? It is going to be equivalent to dy by dx. So let me apply this modification to the above differential equation and see what am I going to get. So guys, in place of x minus 5, I'm going to get t square into, in place of dy by dx, I'm going to get 1 minus dt by dx, everyone, and that is equal to a square. Okay, so from here I can write this as 1 minus dt by dx, 1 minus dt by dx equal to, I'm going to get a square by t square, everyone, और आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं dt by dx is equal to 1 minus a square by t square, or you can write this as t square minus a square divided by t square. Now, can we apply the variable separable method in this case? Yes, we can do that. You see, यहाँ पे along with dt, you can write t square divided by t square minus a square and dx on the other side separately. So see, all the t terms along with dt and x terms separately, dx into 1. So all you have to do is integrating on both the sides. So आप लोग बता दो, how do we integrate this, everyone? The left hand side integration is very simple. So integration dt into t square is there. No, let me do one thing. Let me subtract and add a square in the numerator, whole divided by, this is t square minus a square is equal to, guys, integration dx is going to become x plus c. So let me do this for you guys. So यहाँ से integration dt into, if you take t square minus a square separately, a square separately, along with the denominator, what are you going to get? Well, dt into 1 मिलेगा, okay, plus integration dt into a square by t square minus a square. This is what you are going to get, and this is equal to what? This is equal to x plus c. Now from here, what is the solution I'm going to get? Integration dt is going to be t plus a square into integration dt by t square minus a square. Well, for this, the formula will be 1 by 2a log of t minus a divided by t plus a, and that is equal to x plus c, everyone. So a, one a and another a is going to get cancelled. So I can write down, guys, I can write down t as x minus y plus a into log of t minus a divided by t plus a, and that is equal to x plus c. Okay, so this is what you are going to get. Now, everyone try to understand. Another condition is given. No, I think no condition is given. Okay, let me just simplify and see what solution I'm going to get. Okay, so guys, I can say x and x is getting cancelled here. So I can write down y is equal to a into log of, in place of t, you can take x minus y. So x minus y minus a divided by, यहाँ पे x minus y plus a. You can take minus c this side, minus c plus c. It's a constant anyway. So you can write it as plus c, and this is the solution you are going to get. And if you see the options, everyone, which is going to be the right answer, everyone, I guess the option D is going to be the right answer. So understood this question? I think 1 minute, guys. I might have done a small mistake. यहाँ पे 2 missing है. 1 minute, guys. यहाँ पे 2. I completely forgot about this 2. I completely forgot about the existence of this 2 only. So let me just change this one, guys. Okay, let me do it once again. So it's very simple. T x minus y, okay, plus ये 1 by 2, or in fact a by 2, okay, into log of t के place में it's going to be x minus y minus a divided by x minus y plus a, and that is equal to x plus c, right? So what I'm telling you is x and x तो कैसे भी cancel हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, okay? So you can write this as a into log of x minus y minus a whole divided by x minus y plus a, and that is equal to, what am I going to get here everyone? This is going to be equal to, guys, you'd have taken the y on which side? The y on the right hand side, and you are multiplying 2. So I'll get 2y plus 2c, or you can write down c also. It's anyway a constant. So this is the solution you are going to get. And if you see the options everyone, well, a into log of x minus y minus a by x minus y plus a is equal to 2y plus c. Well, option B is going to be the right answer. So any of you got the option B as a solution? Any one of you got the same answer, option B? If you're getting option B as an answer, guys, let me tell you, you have done it perfectly. So option B is going to be the right answer in this particular question. Okay, so this is how you have to do the question, everyone. So whenever you find this type of differential equations, no, again I'm telling you, whenever you find this type of differential equations, guys, in this case, what is the method going to be? All you have to do is take ax plus by plus c is equal to t. From that you are going to get the solution. Okay, so I hope this is clear for you. Now let me do one thing. Let me do few questions for you, some more questions based on the entire concept whatever we have discussed today. Okay, you see this question everyone. The order of the differential equation of all circles of radius r having the center on y-axis and passing through the origin. Well, if you want to write down the equation of all the circles having the center which is going to be on the y-axis and the radius is r and passing through the origin, well, that equation is going to be given by x square plus y minus r whole square equal to r square, everyone. This is going to be the equation, right? This is going to be representing the equation of a circle for which the center is going to be on the y-axis and it is going to be passing through the origin. Okay, now everyone, यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे, I can do the simplification. X square plus y square plus r square minus 2yr is equal to r square. So r square and r square is getting cancelled. I'm getting x square plus y square minus 2yr, and that is equal to 0, everyone. Now you see in this particular equation, how many arbitrary constants are there? Only one. This r is the only arbitrary constant. Okay, so what will be the order of differential equation, everyone? You try to understand order का मतलब क्या हो गया? See, as I told you, the number of arbitrary constants, okay, in an equation represents how many times you have to differentiate that equation to get the differential equation, right? So यहाँ पे only one arbitrary constant is there, which is r. Okay, so what you can do, what does that basically mean? Well, you have to differentiate this equation only one time to get that differential equation. When you're differentiating the equation only one time, then what is the differential equation order going to be? It is only going to be 1. So if you see the options, everyone, option A is going to be the right answer. So it's very simple. In fact, you can also keep this, keep this thing in your mind. You can keep this point always. Remember always, you can remember this particular point, that the number of arbitrary constants in an equation indirectly represents the order of the differential equation which you're going to get. Let us say you are having 3 arbitrary constants, then in that case you are going to get the order of differential equation to be equal to 3. Okay, so I hope this question is clear for all the students out there. Now let me do another question for you guys. This is the previous year question, JEE Main 2020 May. This question was asked. So let me do this question very quickly for you. Okay, now what is given? If y of x is a solution of the differential equation under root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx plus under root of 1 minus y square equal to 0, such that y of 1 by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2, then out of the options given for you, A, B, C, D, which is going to be the right answer. Okay, now how do we do this question, everyone? Very simple. So first let me take the question for you in another slide. So यार यहाँ पे first let me solve the differential equation. Okay, what we'll do first, let us solve the differential equation. So what am I going to get? Well, I'll get under root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx is equal to minus of under root of 1 minus y square. This is what you're going to get. Okay, now from here let me do it in this way. So yahan pe you can apply the concept of variable separable method to solve this differential equation. Can we apply the concept of variable separable method, everyone? Yes, we can do that. You see, you can write all the y terms along with dy and all the x terms along with dx in this particular way. So we can do that, everyone. तो यहाँ पे आपको क्या मिलेगा? dy by under root of 1 minus y square equal to minus dx by under root of 1 minus x square. Now what you are going to do, let me integrate this on both the sides. Applying the variable separable method, let me integrate this on both the sides. So integration dy by under root of 1 minus y square. What is that going to give you? Well, this is sine inverse y, man, is equal to integration dx by under root of 1 minus x square. Well, this is sine inverse x, everyone, and this is going to be plus c. Okay, now this condition is given for you. At x is equal to 1 by 2, the value of y is given root 3 by 2, this particular condition. So using this condition in the above equation, can we find the value of c? Yes, we can do that. So see, what am I going to get? At x equal to 1 by 2, the value of y is root 3 by 2. So sine inverse root 3 by 2 value, well, it is going to be equivalent to pi by 3, and that is equal to minus of sine inverse 1 by 2. Well, that is going to be pi by 6, everyone, plus c. So from here, what is the value of c going to be? Pi by 3 plus pi by 6. Well, c is going to be pi by 2. So I can tell you that sine inverse y is going to be equivalent to minus of sine inverse x plus pi by 2. This is going to be the solution. Now, according to the options given, you need to just check which option is going to satisfy this equation. For example, you go with option C. Option C may it's given that at x is equal to 1 by root 2, you'll end up getting y value to be 1 by root 2. Let me check that for you. At x equal to 1 by root 2, so sine inverse 1 by root 2 is minus pi by 4. So you end up getting minus pi by 4 plus pi by 2, and that is equal to sine inverse y. So guys, from here, I'm getting sine inverse y is equal to minus pi by 4 plus pi by 2. Well, that is going to be pi by 4. So sine inverse y, if it is pi by 4, what is the value of y going to be? Well, y is going to be 1 by root 2, everyone. So see, it is satisfying the condition. Option C is definitely going to satisfy the above equation. So what we can say that option C is going to be the right answer. The other options are not going to satisfy this equation, man. आप cross check कर सकते हैं. Only option C is going to satisfy. So we can say that option C is going to be the right answer. So see how simple the question was. JEE Main 2020 में पूछा था ये वाला question. Getting it? In 2020, last year only this question was asked, and see, it was an easy question if you know how to deal, how to, apply the variable separable method. So now what we will do, we'll do one more question, guys. Okay, you see, this is another JEE Main 2020 question for you. So again, in this question also, we need to find the solution of this differential equation, everyone, which is passing through the point 0, 1. So how do we do this question? Well, this is very, very simple. What you can do here is that basically, guys, देखो यहाँ पे again, can we apply the concept of variable separable? In this case, everyone, can we apply the concept of variable separable method? Yes, we can do that. So what am I going to get here? So see here, I can do it in this way. So I can write dy into y square divided by 1 plus y square, and that is equal to dx into dx divided by 1 by 1 plus e raised to minus x. So this is what am I going to get, right? I'm writing dy terms along with y. So I'm getting 1 plus y square. Sorry, I think it's going to be यहाँ पे 1 minute. So you can clearly see 1 plus y square dy into 1 plus y square divided by y square, everyone. Okay, and along with dx, the x terms, I'm getting dx by 1 plus e raised to minus x. Okay, is this clear for you, everyone? So यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं dy के साथ the y terms, and along with dx I have written down the x terms. Now what you will do, let me integrate this on both the sides. So what am I going to get, everyone? Very simple. So from here you need to understand. Hello Rai, hello, good evening guys, good evening. So from here try to understand, this is what you're going to get, integration dy into, so 1 by y square, okay, let me take it in separately, plus integration dy, y square by y square is going to be 1. So this is what you're going to get on the left hand side. Right hand side आप इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, dx into e raised to x divided by 1 plus e raised to x. Okay, now on the left hand side, what is integration of dy into 1 by y square going to be? Well, that is minus 1 by y, plus integration dy is going to be y is equal to, and what is the integration of this term? How do we do the integration here, everyone? This is very simple. No, if you take 1 plus e raised to x is equal to t, then if you differentiate on both the sides, e raised to x into dx is going to be dt. So you can apply the method of substitution to solve the right hand side integral. So you're going to get dt divided by t in this case, everyone. So I'm going to get y minus, in fact y square minus 1 divided by y, okay, is equal to integration dt by t is going to be log t base c plus c. This is what am I going to get. Now it's given for you that जो भी solution curve होगा, it passes through 0, 1 point. So what does that mean? At x is equal to 0, I can say the value of y should be taken as 1. Okay, so we have this equation, no, y square minus 1 by y is equal to log of, the t is going to be e raised to x plus 1 to the base e plus c. If you put x equal to 0, the value of y is taken as 1. So 1 minus 1, it's going to be 0 on the left hand side. This is going to give you log e raised to 0 is 1. So log 2 base c plus c. So I'm getting the c value to be minus of log 2 to the base e. Let me take the c value here in this above equation. So guys, I'm going to get y square minus 1 divided by y equal to, this is going to give you log of e raised to x plus 1. यहाँ पे minus log 2 है. So log a minus log b, log of a by b. So I can write it as log of e raised to x plus 1 divided by 2 to the base e, everyone. Okay, and if you see the options, everyone, what you can do here is that यहाँ पे आप इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. So from here this can be written as, if you see here, everyone, this can be written as y square is equal to 1 plus y into log of e raised to x plus 1 divided by 2 to the base e. This is the solution you are going to get. And if you see the options, everyone, do we have any option in that way? Yes, option D is going to be the right answer, which is y square equal to 1 plus y into log of e raised to x plus 1 by 2. So definitely option D is going to be the right answer in this case. So understood this question, everyone? Got it? So यार देखो यार, JEE में 2020 में पूछा था ये वाला question, and again this question is completely dependent on the concept of which one, the variable separable method. So that's what I'm telling you. Every year, you know, one question is being asked from this chapter of differential equation. It can be any method. Okay, ऐसा नहीं है कि वेरिएबल सेपरेबल मेथड से ही आपको क्वेश्चन आएगा. ओके, इट कैन बी फ्रॉम होमोजेनियस इक्वेशन मेथड आल्सो, फ्रॉम वेरिएबल सेपरेबल मेथड आल्सो, फ्रॉम लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन मेथड आल्सो. सो यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर दिस एंटायर चैप्टर वेरी थरोली, ओके, सो दैट जो भी क्वेश्चन मिलेगा, विच एवर मेथड यू हैव टू यूज, यू कैन डू दैट वेरी कंफर्टेबली. एंड लेट मी टेल यू गाइस, differential equation scoring chapter है. Okay, मतलब whatever question is going to be asked from this particular chapter, it's not going to be very complicated. You see the previous 4, 5 or 6 years papers, okay, 6 years JEE main examination papers, you can clearly observe that differential equation से whichever question was asked, the level of the question is always easy to moderate. Okay, most of the times the level of the question is easy to moderate. It's a tough question ये वाले chapter में से आना, there are very less probability, very less chances that a tough question is going to be asked from this chapter. So you can consider this chapter as a scoring chapter, everyone. Okay, so definitely don't miss out any topic from this chapter. Go through each and every topic from this chapter. So guys, we are done with the today's session. So today we have discussed about the basics of differential equation, okay, the formation and the solution of differential equation, and for solving first order first degree differential equation, I told you one method. What is that method going to be? Variable separable method. So guys, go through the method once again, do some good number of questions on this method. In the next session, I'm going to revise the homogeneous differential equation method and the linear differential equation method, everyone. Okay, so guys, before you go, I have a homework question for you. So guys, this is a homework question, guys. Let us see how many of the students will be able to do this question. Okay, तो यार ये आपका homework question है. Okay, I'm going to tell you the answer in the next class. So by next class, you need to tell me out of option A, B, C, and D, which one you got as the right answer. So the top 5 students who are going to tell me the right answer, I'm going to announce your names tomorrow. Okay, not tomorrow, whenever the session I'm going to take. Okay, in that session, जो भी student correct answer दे देगा मुझे. Okay, I'm definitely going to announce all those students' name in the class, everyone. Okay, so this is going to be the homework question. You can take a screenshot or go through the video once again. In the video you can find this particular this question. So just write down the question and try to get the solution. Okay, so guys, everyone, that's it from today's session. And if you're still not a part of Telegram channel, guys, do join the Telegram group. This is the link for you. Okay, and यहाँ पे आपको QR code दिख रहा है ना, just scan that QR code and join the Telegram group. वहाँ पे you get all the updates and exam related notifications, everyone. And guys, before leaving the session, if you have understood all the topics in today's session, guys, क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको वहाँ पे? Well, you have to like the video. यार like करो, share करो, subscribe करो, okay? So that and turn on the notifications, everyone, so that whenever any of our sessions are going to go live or if we upload any video, you get the notification right away and you can join the sessions without missing any question or any concept. Okay, so chalo then, thank you so much, everyone. Take care, guys. Bye, everyone. Let us meet in the next session. Okay, so bye, everyone. Take care, guys.